Good morning student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss on this platform with new topic, that is topic name is quadratic equation, and this topic is under algebra section in class 10. Today I will discuss about the basic things related to quadratic equation. So first of all I am giving the definition. What is the definition of quadratic equation? Definition will be, simple definition will be, an equation having degree 2 is called quadratic equation. There is a slightly difference between equation and expression. There is a slightly difference between equation and expression. Equation always compare with some other quantity, and expression cannot be compared with some other quantity. Expression cannot be compared. Okay, suppose जैसे हमारा हंसना, रोना, गाना, these are the expression, भूख लगना, तो इनको हम कभी भी कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. We can't compare with the some other quantities. So that's why it is expression. And equation always be compared with the some other quantity. There will be is equal to in between the left hand side and the right hand side. So this is the definition. So example of, as per the definition I am giving the example, that is x square is equal to 5. This is the quadratic equation in which the variable power is 2, highest power of the variable is 2, so the degree of the equation is 2, and this will become the quadratic equation. Second will be x square plus 10x is equal to 7. Here also the degree of the equation is 2, and this is the quadratic equation of variable x. Third one will be y square plus 5y minus or plus 8 is equal to 0. This is also the quadratic equation in terms of y. Here the variable is y and the highest power of the variable is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. But the thing is that this is a standard form of the quadratic equation. There is the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are any real number and a cannot be equal to 0. a 0 नहीं हो सकता. अगर a 0 होगा तो x square का टर्म खत्म हो जाएगा, will vanish. That's why a will not be equal to 0. This is the main things of quadratic equation. Now here student, the second terms related to or related in quadratic equation, the term is, you will see here, solution, zeros or roots, all are same thing. You can say that all are synonyms to each other. What is the actual meaning of solution, zeros and roots of a quadratic equation? Simply, since suppose if I am writing x square is equal to 4, so all such number which we can put here in place of x or x square, and it will give 4, means all such number which give us a relation between LHS is equal to RHS. एक कोई भी ऐसा नंबर जो LHS और RHS को इक्वल कर दे, in place of x square की जगह पे अगर रखते हैं तब, then that will be one solution, zeros, roots. जैसे suppose here if I will put -2, if x is equal to -2, then -2 whole square will be 4. if x is equal to 2, then 2 square is equal to 4, then solution of x square is equal to 4 are 2 and minus 2. This is the solution. Or you can say the zeros of x square is equal to 4 is 2 and minus 2. Or you can say that roots of x square is equal to 4 are 2 and minus 2. There is a symbolic Greek letter to represent the zeros. So Greek letters to represent the zeros of a quadratic equation. वो हो जाएगा सम इन सम ऑफ यू कैन से अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा. In most practice form, when two zeros are given, then alpha beta are used in most practice form. But it is not like that. You always use alpha and beta for two zeros. You can use any one of these for 1 0 for 2 zeros. But in most practice form, in general practice form, it is used alpha and beta for 2 zeros, alpha beta gamma for 3 zeros, alpha beta gamma delta for 4 zeros, like that. So what is the main thing is that what about the degree? The relation between zeros and the degree. The number of zeros is equal to the degree. What about the degree? Whatever the degree will be there, the same number of zeros will be there. If degree is 2, number of zeros will be 2. If degree will be 3, number of zeros will be 3. If degree will be 4, number of zeros will be 4. So there is a relation between degree of the equation and the zeros of a equation. Now methods to solve a quadratic equation. For or up to class 10. Class 10 तक के लिए मेथड जो है वो what will be the most practice form methods are. First one is called factorization method. Or you can say middle term splitting. Second one is called quadratic formula, or you can say second one will be method of completing square. This is your second one. And the third one is called quadratic formula or Sridhar Acharya rule. Okay. Sridhar Acharya rule or quadratic formula are totally based on method of completing a square. This is a traditional method and this will be the upgraded model, or you can say that this is the base model, this is the upgraded model. This one will be there. In method of completing a square, there will be some alpha beta and this one, and that alpha beta will be put here and it will become a Sridhar Acharya rule. So Sridhar Acharya rule are totally based on the method of completing a square. And this is the base model. Method of completing a square is the base model and quadratic equation is the upgraded model. Now come to the chapters. What the chapter? Chapter quadratic equation divided in chapter quadratic equation. Here in the book you can say that quadratic equation is divided into four parts. Part one is by you have to solve by factorization. ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर है जो कि आपको बुक में भी मिलेगा, जिसको आप देख सकते हैं। अगर RS अग्रवाल में देखेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4A। 4B में आप चले जाइए तो मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर, मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर। 4C में आ जाइए श्रीधर आचार्य रूल, श्रीधर आचार्य रूल। ये सब सॉल्व करने के तरीके हैं। इसी तरह से 4D आपको मिल जाएंगे जो कि नेचर ऑफ जीरोस पे रिलेट करेगा। 4D एक्सरसाइज 4D जो कि बेस्ड ऑन नेचर ऑफ जीरोस, नेचर ऑफ जीरोस से रिलेटेड नेचर होंगे उनके बारे में यहाँ पर बातचीत की जाएगी। और लास्ट आपका 4E है जो कि आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे। वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स अगर वेटेज की बात की जाए तो वेटेज में जो है बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें अलजेब्रा, ये अलजेब्रा सेक्शन में आता है। उस अलजेब्रा सेक्शन में आपको पॉलिनोमियल है, उस अलजेब्रा सेक्शन में आपको लीनियर इक्वेशन है, उस अलजेब्रा सेक्शन में आपको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें उस अलजेब्रा सेक्शन में आपको अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस भी होंगे। तो इन सब को मिला करके ये टोटल वेटेज में आएगा। तो यहाँ से जो क्वेश्चंस जो सॉल्यूशंस होंगे वो आपको एक क्वेश्चंस रहेगा, देयर विल बी वन क्वेश्चन विल बी दैट टू सॉल्व। मेथड विल नॉट बी गिवन इन द एग्जामिनेशन, it is up to you which method you will choose, that is totally up to you. And so some question may be there related to nature of the zero, and one question will be that word problem. There are two word problem. One you will see on the linear equation of two variable, and the second one is the quadratic equation. But in the examination there will be one word problem, and it is up to you which method you will solve. Either you can go for the linear equation of two variable and then you can switch over the quadratic equation. दोनों से बन जाएंगे, quadratic equation से भी बन जाएगा, linear equation of two variable से भी बन जाएंगे. So these are the basic things. Thanks for the watching my video. Keep watching, share among the loved one. In my next video you will see I will go for part by part. First I will select this one, I will solve some question related to factorization, then I will go for the method of completing square, then I will go to the Sridhar Acharya rule, then nature of the zero, then word problem, then it will be completed. Here method of completing in this particular revised syllabus you will see that method of completing square is not mandatory, but the skill you have to develop. It is up to you, you choose yet which method you will give the examination. So next video you will see that I will solve some question related to factorization theorem. Have a good day, take care, God bless you.